All right, guys, here you have it. This is the first Studio Underdog Av0Cado limited edition chronograph that has arrived in Miami. I bought it at the 10 a.m. first opening time frame, and here it is. It arrived very quickly. I'm super excited, and I'd like to show you guys how it looks. I'm doing a little unboxing. Today I'm wearing a Zentier Jump Hour. I swapped out the band. I love this watch. I wear it all the time. I get compliments all the time, more than any of my other watches. It's a beautiful watch, and it's a black opal stone, 1 of 37. And let's move on to the big deal here, and that is this Studio Underdog. I cheated, took off some of the tape so I'd save you guys some of the B-roll, and here we are. Boom. Let's crack this guy open, staying nice and tight in there. All right. A matte finish case, the typical Studio Underdog box. Certificate of authenticity. I'll put this to the side, and actually we'll put it here. Stay in frame. All right. Studio Underdog authenticity. Here we go. Very nice. And packaging. Oh, all right. So it comes with this little pamphlet. I guess it just gives you a little bit of information behind the watch and its functions. Now here for the plastic or mesh paper here. Take it all apart. Been excited. This drop was pretty interesting. I love the story behind it. It compelled me to make a purchase and bid on this when it became available. This is a very first watch from Studio Underdog for me, so I'm actually very excited. I love the little details. This leather, I guess, protector is very nice. And here we are. I'll definitely be changing out this strap, but it is nice. The finish is very nice. Let's see, what can we see about it? The material looks good. We haven't unpacked the plastic wrapping, but the strap is handmade Italian calfskin leather. And let's see what we can see up close, taking off this little plastic protector. There we go. Awesome. Now this is a 38.5 millimeter diameter case, 12.9 millimeter thickness, 44.5 millimeter lug to lug, 316L stainless steel with 3-part construction. I ordered it with a open case back, which I thought was super cool, and I love the option to order it that way, so went ahead and did that, and I think I did great by doing that. Here, it just adds another layer of talking piece, or maybe just more conversation just based off of this. It's a double dome sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. The case back is sapphire exhibition case back. Let's see, it's a chronograph, and a little bit about the movement. It's a bespoke Seagull ST1901B manual winding chronograph. It's 50 hours of power reserve with the chronograph off. With the chronograph on, it's 45 hours, 21 joules. There's 10 to 15 plus sorry about that. Here you go. Let's get it back in the frame. There we go. Very cool. All right, let's take it off and see what we got. leather is a little bit rigid, but again, it's new, it hasn't been broken into. But the watch does feel great on the wrist. It looks nice. The millimeter is just perfect for my wrist, I believe. So about 7.5-inch wrist. This is 38.5 millimeter, excuse me, case. I think it fits perfectly. Very nice. Very excited, being the first person in Miami, Florida, to have this limited release. So very lucky. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.